Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out yet another product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out to Tudia for sending me the Tudia merge for my LG G7. A little bit of money goes a long way in protecting your investment. We'll be leaving a link down below in the description area. When you hit that link, take you right over to Amazon, and this is what you're going to see. LG G7 ThinQ Tudia Merge Series Heavy Duty Extreme Protection, rugged with dual layer, slim, precise cutout phone case for your G7. I have the matte black, $8.95. There are 3 other color choices: metallic slate, mint, and rose gold. $8.95 gives you 4 different choices there, and we're going to be looking at the matte black. If you scroll down below, there's a lot more information. Please read everything before you order. But in my opinion, you cannot go wrong with Tudia cases. All right, let's get into this package. Tudia ultra slim, lightweight, raised lip protection. Nice presentation. Put that to the side. G7 2-piece case. Hard shell polycarbonate back, matte finish. Feels really, really nice in the palm of my hand. The inner part, flexible TPU material. Got the Tudia brand name right there, and the name of the case, Merge, right there. Tudia Merge. On the back, Tudia brand name on the right hand side of that hard shell polycarbonate back for that added protection. Very, very sexy. The bottom, got your headphone jack area, mic, USB Type-C charging port area, and your speaker area there. Up top, mic cutout there. On the back, you got a lot of depth in this cutout here for your cameras, fingerprint reader, and your flash. I'm going to take a couple pictures, make sure there's no shadowing going on, but I'm totally digging that cutout. Protects that area really well. On the side, you have your Google Assistant button. I have that turned off, but I'm sure that that's going to work properly if it was turned on. But we will test out the volume rocker there. Everything covered up there. There are these little slits. Kind of see through that area. I love that design. On the other side, you got your power button there. And you do have the anti-slip texture on both right and left hand side for that added protection as far as the grip of this case with your G7 in it. Okay, Tudia doing their part, you just have to do yours. That means you have to hold on to your device. Okay, everything is here to protect, to add a very nice feel and grip as far as the matte finish and the anti-slip sides. Okay, so let's go ahead and put my G7 inside this case. You don't have to separate the 2-piece case here. You can just do what I just did. Let's go ahead and power off. Make sure the power button area works very nice. Nice and clicky and responsive. And it does. Fingerprint reader. Bam. Bam. Volume rocker. Volume down. Volume up. That's working great. Okay, and we're gonna turn off the G7 here, and we're going to test wireless charging with the case on it. Man, totally digging that. Do that again. All right, and of course we're going to try out my USB Type-C cable here. That is a huge cutout. So not every cable may work in that area, but I'm pretty sure that most will. So I always test this area with a third-party type cable here. See what the name of that company is, in case you want to know. VoxLink. I'm going to go ahead and plug that in there, and bam, just like that. Okay, so yeah, not guaranteed that every cable will work, but I have a lot of cables laying around here from different companies, and I've not had any issues with my Tudia cases whatsoever. So Okay, let's take a couple pictures. And let's get my little stormtrooper guy over here. It's wide angle. Let's go to 4.3 aspect ratio there. Check out the picture. And man, that looks great. No shadowing whatsoever. There's the wide angle lens there. Wow. Everything looking great. The Tudia merge. Again, huge shout out to Tudia. Just looking sexy and bold on my G7. The Tudia merge. 2-piece TPU polycarbonate materials. Cannot go wrong. Great protection for your investment. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. I'm out.